What if I told you you could create a custom party invite in under 5 minutes without being a designer? Yep, Canva plus ChatGPT equals your new creative BFF. Let me show you how it's done. Step by step, fast and fabulous.
All right, we're going to come over into ChatGPT and we're going to go ahead and paste in a basic prompt. So the prompt says, image prompt, we're going to design a 5x7-inch birthday invitation for a 4-year-old name. We're going to put in brackets the word name. Theme, sweet shop with candy colors and dessert illustrations. Include a sweet headline, event details, RSVP info, and a sugary tagline. And then we also going to put a sample text, something like, join us for a sweet celebration. Name in brackets is turning 4, and it's going to be a treat. And of course, you can take this prompt and rearrange the text however you want for any type of theme. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to just use this prompt. So we're going to go ahead and click generate. And what chat is going to do is going to generate us an invite. So this process typically takes less than a minute to generate. You just have to give it some time. And then after it's done generating, we're going to head over to Canva. This whole process takes less than 3 minutes. All right, our invitation is generating. We can see so far it's looking really good. All right, this looks good. So all we're going to do from here is click the download button. And again, if you don't like what it generated, all you have to do is just redo it. But for now, we're just going to click download. And then we're going to go over to Canva. So over in Canva, we're going to click on custom size. We're going to create a design and we want to make sure our units is in inches, and we're going to click 5x7 because that is the typical size for a birthday invite. We're going to click create new design. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and upload our design that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead, go back and grab it. And then I'm just going to crop it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and resize it to fit in our template. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over it and I'm going to click this edit button at the top. Once I click edit, the Magic Studio is going to pop up. I'm going to scroll over and I'm going to click grab text. So we're going to wait for the AI to pick up the text. We're going to click all text and we're going to click grab. All right, now that it grabbed all the text, now we can go ahead and format it how we want. So here, I think I'm going to leave this the same. I'm just going to okay, I'm going to leave that alone. Let me back up. Okay, I'm going to leave that part alone. Here, I would just put a name. So let's just say Ava. Just going to click on it. Okay. All right, and then we want to move this over. Okay, so we said join us for a sweet celebration. Ava is turning 4, and it's going to be a treat. I'm going to move this down a little bit. It has the date and time, location, who to RSVP to, and then I'm going to adjust this, and it is done. And then if you want to remove some of the elements, you can do that, but I think it looks just fine the way it is. I'm gonna make this 4, maybe a little bigger. Move it over, and it is good to go. And the good thing about this is you can use this as a template that you can sell, or as a printable. You can do the customizations yourself, or you can just sell it like this and let your customer come in and change the text as need be. So to do that, you would just click share. You're going to go and click on see all, and then you're going to click on template link. Once you click on template link, you're going to click create a template link. And then this is the link you would give to your customers after they purchase to go ahead and go into Canva and edit themselves. And the good thing about this is since it was created in chat, you don't have to worry about any of Canva's elements because you cannot use some of their elements if you are selling it as a template. So this is your creation. You don't have to worry about that. And then you can just go ahead and provide this link to your customers, and they can go in and edit how they want, and you are good to go.
And just like that, you've got a gorgeous editable party invite done in minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. If this blew your mind even a little, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a digital party hack. See you in the next one.